is the story of five entrepreneurs, driven by their dreams, came together with the aspiration of creating an AR device that can turn imagination into reality. But beyond passion and creativity, there's one problem they can't ignore: how to manage and share knowledge. On the entrepreneurial journey, knowledge management is not just a tool for efficiency. It's the key to avoiding missteps. Let's see how these five entrepreneurs navigate this path. The company is finally up and running, and everyone gathers for a meeting to hear the technical engineer explain the product design.
The AR technology that we are going to engage in now is called augmented reality technology.
In terms of technical architecture, it involves computer vision processing, real-time acquisition of image data through the camera, such as SRFT, SURF. This classic algorithm has to be optimized in depth in order to meet real-time demand.
There is also a 3D reconstruction model based on the collected data to build a virtual scene model, which requires a lot of arithmetic support. We have to consider whether to use a GPU cluster or the cloud distributed computing.
Wait a minute, how do I sound confused? You say this, I really don't know how to handle with the product landing.
That's right. I'm running in the market and clients don't understand the logic of your code.
There is only one truth.
According to Michael Polanyi's concept of tacit knowledge, and the core concept of knowledge character discussed in this course, knowledge itself creates barriers to sharing. Some knowledge is simply difficult to explain and understand. Characteristics of this type of knowledge includes complexity, tacitness, specificity, causal ambiguity, and language.
Well, AR technology simply means that the virtual contour image can be superimposed in real time in the real picture we shoot. Look at the real one.
The product manager suggests adding a changing feature to the AR glasses, sparking a heated discussion.
AR dressing feature has to happen. It's the number one thing users are begging for.
Are you kidding? This is a total detour. We are supposed to be the hologram pioneer, not some filter factory.
There is only one truth. Time for peer assist.
In line with Shell's knowledge management practices and the concept of knowledge usage outlined in this course, a peer assist is a meeting or workshop where other people are invited to share their experience, insights, and knowledge with an employee who has requested some help early on in a piece of work.
Nice.
Exactly, from a SWAT team across departments. Make this future cell our core tech instead of competing with it.
Alright, if we use the dressing data to train our 3D engine, I'm okay.
The technical engineer quits, taking core knowledge with him, leaving the new engineer feeling lost.
I quit.
Master, you just give me some tips but didn't tell me the key numbers.
Both on high, plugged into the same outlet. So,
it's saying the server went down. Does anybody know that password? Because otherwise we can't do any work.
try password.
Nope.
Try 000 000.
No.
Retry the password. L7. Get all of his debugging records.
So, how is everything going on the project since our last team meeting? Fine.
Good.
Look at the model failures, not just its successes.
There is only one truth.
Drawing from the process view and product view of knowledge. Knowledge is closely tied to the person who created it and is shared through person-to-person contact. However, it can also be stored and retrieved.
The newbie finishes the product design, but fear of failure holds him back from using cutting-edge tech.
It's ready! The AR glasses can finally turn imagination into 3D holograms.
Not this one. Not this one either. Oh my god. Well, I imagined a cool model哪吒. Why does he look like a toddler's doodle?
Okay, I know how to do this thing, but doing a complete 3D model would take a half a year, and there's a good chance it won't work out. That's why I used a simple 3D style that doesn't have a lot of details. If we want a high level of detail, we need a created out operations in a really difficult way, and that would totally use up all the power of our service. We can't have that.
But we poured resource into this. Why not try?
Yeah, this isn't cool. It's embarrassing. We cannot sell this. It's like advertising a Ferrari, but deliver a tricycle.
So what now?
There is only one truth.
According to Pfeffer and Sutton's concept of the knowing-doing gap, knowing-doing gap is the difference between knowing what to do but not doing it. The gap represents wasted resources.
Wait, what if we launch a beta version, promise upgrades, and let users vote on feature, fix bugs while building hype?
A high update. It actually works.
Okay.
After much effort, the company successfully goes public.
Knowledge management is a crucial tool for overcoming the various challenges we face in entrepreneurship and work, as we experienced during the company's journey, whether it was the communication barriers caused by technical jargon, the tug-of-war between technology and market demands, or even the departure of key personnel. Knowledge management helped us quickly gather information, streamline our thoughts, reduce communication costs, and break decision-making bottlenecks. It's not just the key to simplifying complex problems, but also the driving force that helped our team overcome challenges and achieve breakthroughs. But more powerful than any system is the courage to take that first step. When you're facing server crashes, chaotic demands, and the piercing gaze of investors, remember Lei Chen's words. If you want to do something, just start, even if it's messy, even if it's not perfect. A rough start is the best start. Time never waits for you. Every day is your youngest day, and missing today is missing your best opportunity.
Get all of the hit.
Wait a minute, how do I sound confused? You said this algorithm automatic.
Time for peer assist.
I quit.
1、2、3，开始。
It's ready. The 3D glasses.
开始。
It's ready. The AR glasses can finally turn the imagination into 3D hologram.
3D